One of the growth drivers is the widespread demand for mobile, flexible, and compact power tools. Here they turns regular codeless drill to a pump. It's a flow rate of 3 liters per minute at 1200 RPM. The hoses are made of chemical-resistant polymers.
Transfer of fluid. And of course, if you're just putting oil into a diff,
this manual with splitters it made with a cast iron. It could last a lifetime due to the material and the simplicity of the mechanism. The maximum log length is 33 centimeters and the weight of the log splitter is 4 kilograms. A reciprocating saw have a double blade and can cut hollow bricks, drywall, so concrete and a variety of plastic parts. Quadsaw, it's a revolutionary box cutter. Just attach it to a drill to create. Rectangular or square holes for outlet switches and more. The job will be 4 times faster and you'll get perfect results the first time. This is the latest innovation in adjustable ratcheting tools, a universal ratcheting tool and adjustable wrench. Hamertacker, from labels of posters to insulation, go to 6mm staples, and that's great, and its all-metal construction ensures durability, the excellent balance, and non-slip. A roll of masking film the paper, and on the other a roll of painter's tape. Thatcher highlights of work great, 4 to 5 times faster. Plate cutter attachment. The manufacturer recommends using it with a 12 to 21 volt drill, and it's suitable for almost all models in this range. The basic material is high manganese steel, and it can cut any millimeter thick steel plate very well. After a simple installation, the tool It's suitable for boards from 85 to 150 mm wide, and allows for hidden fastening even for beginners. The top handle can withstand pressure up to 100 kilograms, and the boards could be spaced from 3 to 7. This tool for flooring removal, it can easily handle tiles, vinyl, wood, and carpet thanks to the system with 2 blades of mace at 13 centimeters. This Matic post driver will be useful for in pasture lands and farms to delimit the space. This offers up to 75 strokes per minute, away to 50 kilograms, and a maximum available pressure of 5. 5-bar the standard adapter is perfect for round posts. It also does an excellent job in hard-to-reach places. It's a cordless cheap belt sander that's also suitable for satin finish, meaning it kind of rough with message services. The belt speed is continuously adjustable. This plumbing tool is used for deep purring and remake before welding or threading. Models for hand use and for use with power drives are available. The fastest marking system on the market, 500 meters in 50 minutes. That's 40% faster than the competition. A knife created for clean and fast work. The blade is suitable for stretch wrap, cardboard, plastic strips, and adhesive tape. In addition, it can also help you with repairs as it cuts even flooring. This tool will be very useful for both bike enthusiasts and bike shop managers. He combines the advantages of a multi-tool and a torque wrench, which means that each bolt will be tightened with precise torque control. TerraTrencher will make life much easier for workers who have to install pipes, electrical and network cables, drainage systems and the like, where time and space are. A single person can easily dig a trench up to 750 mm deep without spreading soil all over the work area.